Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to use LastPass Authenticator. To do that, install the app. Go to your application store like Play Store and then search for LastPass Authenticator. Then download LastPass Authenticator and open it. Set up LastPass Authenticator. Follow the initial setup prompts. Then scan QR code or manual entry. Scan QR code. If the service you want to set up supports scanning QR codes, you can use the LastPass Authenticator to scan the code presented during the setup process. This is the recommended method as it's quicker and less error prone. Manual entry. If scanning the QR code is not possible, you can manually enter the details, usually the account name and a secret key provided by the service, into the LastPass Authenticator. Then verify setup. After scanning the QR code or entering the details, LastPass Authenticator will generate a one-time code. Enter this code into the service you are setting up to verify the setup. Then backup and recover. LastPass Authenticator provides options to back up your 2FA data and offers recovery option in case you lose your device. It's essential to set up these backups options during the initial setup process to ensure you don't lose access to your accounts if your device is lost or reset. Then use LastPass Authenticator. Manage accounts. And that's how to use LastPass Authenticator. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.